It's Quinky time. Let's learn and play.
Hey there, children.
Welcome to the land of rhythm.
Come on and let's do it.
And just for the kids. A is for alligator snapping so wide. B is for bear with a belly to hide. C is for cat who purrs on a mat. D is for dog who's chasing a hat. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fox who runs away. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for hippo with happy feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, boing boing hop. L is for lion, king of the top. M is for monkey, swinging in trees. N is for newt, who crawls with ease. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, waddling right. Q is for quail, quiet and shy. R is for rabbit, hopping by. S is for snake, slithering slow. T is for tiger with a big roar, go! U is for urchin, spiky and small. V is for vulture, flying tall. W is for whale, who sings in the sea. X is for X-ray, fish look and see. Y is for yak with a furry face. Z is for zebra, striped with gray.
Like, share, subscribe to Quinky.